So there are 4 common mistakes that happen when testing. There are plenty more testing mistakes that can occur, but these are the most common and most frequent issues that I see students struggle with. So some of you might find this relatable. So number 1, you get 5 hours for the EOC test. However, some of you decide to test too fast. So time management is key in the success of your test. What does it mean to test too fast? This typically consists of rushing. So you don't read passages. Plain and simple, some of you guys don't care. How does it affect you? It's just a test. I can take it again. But it gets harder every single time you have to retake it. Some of you guess, which feeds into the not caring. And last but not least, not using your time wisely. The second most common mistake is not reading all your answer choices thoroughly. So you typically look at an answer choice and you think that sounds good, and you don't bother looking at the other 3 or 2 or maybe even the last one, and you need to make sure that you are giving each and every answer choice a thought. With this said, we are not using process of elimination at this point, and we will definitely talk about process of elimination more in a little bit and how it can be used effectively. But if you're not reading all the answer choices, then there's no way that you can use this process of elimination to raise your chances of getting the answer right. Number 3 is we don't use a dictionary, which is why that's a tab in our foldable. You don't look up words that you don't know. And so when you don't understand even one word in a sentence, that is going to equal a lack of comprehension. And once you are not comprehending and not understanding something, then there's no going back from that. You're at a loss and you will not be answering or getting things correct. Last but not least, this is one of the most common mistakes. I don't know why it is that you guys, where you guys learn this, but I hope to break this bad habit. You guys choose to not read the revise and edit passage. And we've been doing a lot of practice with looking specifically at a paragraph of the revise and edit when it is when we need to answer a question with a specific sentence. So I hope that that's something that's now a habit for you, that you see the importance in reading the passage and having that context. But we cannot afford to be doing this. You guys don't read the revise and edit passage. Instead, we go straight to the questions. On the next slide, I want you to tell me which common mistake you find yourself relating to the most. So that's common mistake 1, 2, 3, or 4, and tell me why it is that that's happening. All right.